plenty of work has been going on. We'll pop inside and have a little look. We've got outdoor lights here and here on the front. Let's pop round inside and see some more. You'll see they've got nice outdoor lights, downpipes are done, external sockets done, and a few other bits and pieces are tied up. Let's pop inside now and have a little look. Right, let's pop inside now and have a look around and see what has been going on so far. Right. Always been repainted. Doors were on, which you've seen that before. Room on the left, bedroom. Utility room's been painted up. Door on the left bedroom. Decorated, carpeted. Being used as an office. Blinds are up, lights up. Nice carpet, that's done. That room is finished. Following round now. That bedroom there, still under construction, being used for storage. Bedroom on the right now, finished. Bathroom we've already seen, almost complete. As I said before, floor needs regrouting and the mirror's been widened now. That lights up. So here we go, now we're into the lounge area and the kitchen dining area. So this is a lounge, it's all been cleared up now. And we'll walk our way back to the extension. Almost finished the kitchen now, it's looking really, really good. So you've got an island there in the middle and I'll walk you around. It's a fantastic kitchen and it's, I think I've mentioned before, my son Joe, who's now moved to America for Wren, works for Wren, so obviously he designed the kitchen and knew a couple of fantastic guys that come in and fitted it for us. We'll start with the island first in the middle here. Not finished yet, obviously. Stud partition there at the back. Socket there, obviously the worktop's going there, quartz worktop's going on top, so that's where the breakfast bar, breakfast chair is going to be, the stool is going to be. And there's going to be a hob there. Here's the hob with a downward extractor, which will go under the floor. So you've got the extraction there that's going under the floor. Island, fantastic drawer system here, 2 drawers that come out with a double drawer on top. So you've got a drawer within a drawer, which I love, brilliant. Both soft close. So instead you've got 4 drawers, but you end up with actual two fronts. Oh, sorry, you've got 3 drawers, but 2 fronts. Drawer at the bottom there, that's not used up in the middle there, I don't think. Same again on the side here. Large drawer at the bottom. Drawer at the top here. Just left your screwdriver there, right. Electrician's left that, right, he'll pick it up in a minute. And then another drawer. Great thing about this, it's 2 drawers, it's a drawer within a drawer. So what you've got a drawer there, which covers both. So it's less clutter, nice and stylish there. So that's the island, worktop's going on, so you'll be sitting around this area here and having your breakfast and you'll be cooking in the middle here. So the hob's going there, induction hob with underground, under the floor extraction. So starting on the left to the right, first of all let's put some lights on. Don't need lights, but light there, up there, so you've got a light that works that. Spotlights going on, and then you've got worktop lights there. They give a little flash for some reason. That's a lounge light, so that's it. Those are those lights on. So there you go. So you've got on the left here, dishwasher. Brand new dishwasher, Bosch dishwasher fitted in. Obviously it's a bit dusty at the moment, it's not completely finished. The kitchen fitter's going to come back when the quartz worktop's been templated and fitted and finish it off. So going there left to right, you've got dishwasher. Sink there, which the sink with, I think it's a 5-way tap or 4-way tap. Cold water, filtered water, hot water, any water you can think of comes out of there. Bins, 2 bins fitted there. And the bins pull out. Side unit there. All these drawers need to be aligned yet, it's not completely finished. Another 2 drawers there. Wall unit, microwave. I can't switch it on yet. Built-in microwave, can't switch it on yet because it's not wired in properly yet. Not fully wired in. The electrician's coming back in a minute, I think. Oven, neth, slide and hide drawer. So you've got a lot of space there, you can move out of the way. Buttons come out like so. Same with this one. For the temperature. Again, not fully wired in yet. This is, I really like this. Hang on, wrong way. I really like this. Look, you've got a larder, ceiling to floor larder, tons of storage space for food. Fridge, I love this hinging mechanism on this fridge. Fridge next to it, and then freezer underneath. So there you go, let me walk back now and show you the full kitchen in all its glory. Not finished yet, obviously. And there's the plan. Looking really nice. So your kitchen will be there, massive kitchen now really. The island coming out there, so it encompasses the whole room. In this area here, this spare area here, they've got a quartz table that they've bought off of Wren as well. So there'll be a massive big dining table in the middle there. And that's also by quartz, that's also made of quartz to match the island worktop and the kitchen worktop. Let's get these lights off. What works what? That's it, that's all off. Right. And then this will be the lounge area. So it'll be like the suite here, dining furniture there, TV on the room there, kitchen, dining room there. The skylights, the vaulted ceiling, really finishing touch there, I think. Looks really good, really good. Thank you for watching that short little clip of the video, the bungalow restoration project. It's nearly coming to an end now. Once the kitchen worktop's in, the flooring's being fitted. I think they're doing the flooring themselves. Worktop's being templated soon for the worktop, and then the sinks will be fitted by the guys who do the worktop. Electricians are coming in about an hour to finish off a few bits and pieces, and then the kitchen will be up and running, plumbed in. The kitchen fits are coming back to finish the plumbing and do a few bits and pieces. Then it's the flooring. The flooring's going to go down, then skirting and flooring's going to go down. Then these two rooms will be finished. TV on the wall, furniture. These two rooms are finished. Bathroom's almost finished. I think next week it's time for the driveway, big driveway, block paved driveway going in, and down the sides and some gates being fitted. That'd look really nice. So that will be another video in 1 or 2 weeks' time. Thank you for watching so far. Please like, subscribe for more. And at the very end of this project, I'm going to do like a before and after type thing, so that'd be good. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.